Presenting the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front reading lamps, passenger airbag sensor, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, power steering, stability control, driver illuminated vanity mirror, AM/FM stereo, and cargo shade. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.